Good morning, student. Today we have solved problem number 5.8. Here we can see customer arrive at the one person barber shop according to Poisson procession with a mean interval time of 20 minutes, and customer spend average time is 15 minutes. That is lambda and mu we can get 20 minutes and 15 minutes. So we can find out first what is the probability that the new arrival need a wait for the barber to the freed. Second, what is that expected number of customer in the shop. Third, barber will put in another chair and hire another barber when a customer arrives time and shop exceed to 1.25 hours. How much must be average rate of arrival increase to warrant a second barber? So here arrival rate and departure rate we can 20 minutes and 30 minutes. Here we can see arrival rate है हमारे पास 20 minutes and departure average rate है 15 minutes. So lambda is equal to 20 minutes is equal to 3 customer per hours. How? 60 divided by 20 is equal to 3 customer per hour. एक घंटे में 3 कस्टमर और सर्विस रेट कितना है ये 15 minutes is equal to 60 divided by 15 4 customer per hour. So here first of we have find out the rho traffic intensity factor. Lambda is rho is equal to lambda upon mu is equal to 3 by 4. First we have find out the probability that a new arrival need or wait, that is 1 minus rho is equal to 1 minus 0.75 is equal to 0.25. Second, no customer expected in the shop, length of ls lambda upon mu minus lambda is equal to 3 hours. Third, then we have find out the when the waiting time in the system increases above 1.25 hours a new chair. ठीक है, तो WQ is equal to 1.25 hours we can get. WQ is 1.25 divided by 0.75 rho is equal to 1 upon mu minus lambda. Mu हमारे पास है 4, we can find out the lambda is equal to 3.4. So the if new customer arrived at 4 customer per hour in order put a second chair. Then second example we have see example number 5.9. Customer arrive at a one window drive according to the Poisson distribution with the mean of 10 minutes, and service time customer is exponential with mean of 6 minutes. So we can here get the lambda is equal to 10 minutes and mu is equal to 6 minutes. तो व्हील चेयर के हिसाब से कितना होगा, lambda is equal to 6 vehicles per hours and mu is equal to 10 vehicles per hours. 60 divided by 10 we can get 6 vehicles and 60 divided by 6 we can get 10 vehicles per hour mu. So the space front of window and accommodate only 3 vehicles including the service one. Other vehicle have to wait outside the space. Calculate. First, probability on arriving customer can drive directly to the space in front of the vehicle. Second, probability on arriving customer will have to wait outside the directed space. And third, how long an arriving customer is expected to wait before getting the service. So we have find out traffic intensity vector. Rho is equal to lambda upon mu 6 by 10 is equal to 0.60. Then we have find out the probability that the arriving customer can drive directly to the space in front of window is equal to 1 minus rho. So 1 minus rho 0.6 is equal to 0.4. Second, probability that an arriving customer will have waiting outside of directed space is equal to rho power of I plus 1. So I कितना है 3 plus 1 0.4 that is 4 is equal to rho हमारे पास है 0.6 पावर ऑफ 4 is equal to 0.1296. And finally we can get customer is expected time wait before getting the services. WS is equal to 1 upon mu minus lambda is equal to 1 upon 10 minus 6 is equal to 15 minutes. We can find out waiting time in the system. Here we can find out the lambda. 10 minutes is equal to 6 vehicles per hour, 60 divided by 10. Then mu 6 minutes, 10 vehicles per hour, 60 divided by 6 is equal to 10 vehicles per hour. Here we can find out traffic intensity factor, rho is equal to 0.60. First, probability that arriving customer can drive directly to the space in front of window, that is 1 minus rho. Probability that the driving customer will have to wait outside the directed speed is equal to rho power of I plus 1. I is equal to 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Here 3 क्वेश्चन में हमें दिया हुआ है कि I is equal to the space front of window can accommodate only 3 vehicles include the step, that is I is equal to 3. And finally waiting time in the system WS is equal to 1 upon mu minus lambda is equal to 15 minutes. Thank you.